If a wildfire is burning near you, take action. Call 911. Don't assume that someone else has already called. Describe the location of the fire, speak slowly and clearly, and answer any questions asked by the dispatcher. If advised to evacuate, do so immediately. Take your emergency supplies kit, lock your home, and take a route away from the fire. Don't forget your household pets. Watch for changes in the speed and direction of the fire and smoke while you are leaving. Go to a designated public shelter or house away from the fire. Tell someone when you left and where you're going. If you haven't been ordered to evacuate and have time to prepare your home, FEMA recommends homeowners take certain actions. Wear protective clothing when outside. Sturdy shoes, cotton or woolen clothes, long pants, a long sleeve shirt, gloves, and a handkerchief to protect your face. Close outside attic, eaves, and basement vents, windows, doors, pet doors, etc. Move flammable furniture, including drapes and curtains, away from windows and sliding glass doors. Close shutters and blinds to reduce radiant heat. Close doors inside the house to prevent draft. Open the damper on your fireplace, but close the fireplace screen. Shut off any natural gas, propane, or fuel oil supplies at the source. If you are able to do so, connect garden hoses to outdoor water faucets and fill any pools, hot tubs, or other large containers with water. Place lawn sprinklers on the roof and near above-ground fuel tanks. Leave sprinklers on and wetting these structures as long as possible. If you have gas-powered pumps for water, make sure they are fueled and ready. Gather fire tools such as a rake, axe, handsaw or chainsaw, bucket, and shovel. Place a ladder against the house in clear view. Disconnect automatic garage door openers so the doors can be opened by hand if the power goes out. Close all garage doors. Place valuable papers, mementos, and anything you can't live without inside the car, in the garage, ready for quick departure. Turn on outside lights and leave a light on in every room to make the house more visible in heavy smoke.